Alright, here's a update on the 520. Got some paint. Start over here with the chassis. On the frame, transaxle, I ran out of paint, but just ran up to the store over to Tractor Supply. Bought some more of the, that's probably hard to see, Valspar Restoration Series tractor and implement finish. It goes on really well. Shout out over to 500. Thanks a lot for all those tips with the spray gun. Was having some problems with the air and just didn't have it set right, but I remember you saying pull that out. I think it was 2.5 or 2 1/4 all the way in and then out 2.5, and it worked out perfectly. So it's spraying really nice. I thinned it and I didn't have to thin it much. I have the hardener in, so liking the way that it was applied, and it's a very flexible paint, which is fantastic. So especially up here, up north with all the heat and the cold, won't split and crack. About an hour later, I should say, and we're done. I think I'm gonna wet sand these, but they're already dry to the touch. That is fantastic paint with a hardener. It's super fast drying. Pieces are dry within an hour, maybe a little less. I have some more black I gotta put on those gray pieces down there, but this is really good because now I can start working on the steering column, which I'm not going to do a whole lot to it other than clean it up, paint the sides. I'm not going to take the whole thing apart because really it's not in that bad a shape, but I will be touching that up, and then I'll put that on top. It's getting dark, which is good to beat the storm. Nasty dark clouds coming. Got severe thunderstorm on its way. Alright, next video we'll be putting this thing, buttoning it back up, putting it back together. I gotta get a sticker kit. Anybody out there knows of a good place to get vinyl stickers? I'm in the market for those for $5.20 each. So we'll see ya. No weather ain't gonna get me. Got my painting all done.